this video, I am going to show you how to view funding fees in Bybit app. Funding fees are periodic payments made between traders based on the relative position each trader has taken. These fees can either be received or paid, depending on market conditions and your position. 1. Via Trade History. In the Bybit app, navigate to your trade history. This section records all of your past transactions and activities within the market. There, look for entries related to funding fees. These entries will show you the rate of which funding fees were applied and actual amount of funding fee paid or received. 2. Via Assets History. Go to the Assets History section to view detailed asset change information in your account. This includes both derivatives and United trading accounts, showing how assets fluctuate over time. 3. Derivatives Transaction History. In the Derivatives Transaction History, you can filter transaction by type, select funding to specifically view the funding fee transactions. This filter will display a list of transactions you have either paid or received funding fees, giving you a clear view of these periodic payments. 5. Unified Trading Account Transaction Log. In the transaction log of your Unified Trading Account, filter by the transaction by settlement to find the entries related to funding intervals. Tapping on the settlement transaction will reveal detailed information, including whether a funding fee was paid or received during that specific funding interval. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.